Hi sellers! To help you with your ITA compliance, we'll provide a guide kung paano mag-navigate ng microsite and ITA compliance dashboard via the push notification that you receive every Friday. Upon receiving your push notification, click on it and you'll be redirected to the microsite kung saan makikita mo ang iyong total items to be updated. Makikita mo rin ang top 5 category permits and top 5 product certifications na kailangan mo isubmit based sa dami ng items affected and ranked by best-selling orders. Take note that the summary of the number of items affected includes both normal and unlisted items that require necessary permits. Sa bandang baba, you can see the Regulated Listings Compliance Dashboard link. Click the link para makita ang lahat ng iyong regulated listings and their required permits. Take note of your login credentials to be able to access the dashboard. Upon clicking the Regulated Listings Compliance Dashboard, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you'll have to enter the shop ID and password found on your microsite. Tandaan na gamitin lamang ang dashboard link na binigay sa microsite dahil ito ay shop-specific, meaning na may kanya-kanyang microsite ang bawat shop. Once you've placed your login credentials, makikita mo na ang lahat ng regulated listings of your shop and you may sort the items based on its item status. Filter it to live only para makita mo ang mga items na nakikita ng mga buyers. Ito ang kailangan mong i-prioritize sa pagkuha ng permits to avoid any disruptions to your shop. Makikita mo ang item details based on these components. Sa right side naman makikita ang pending category permits and product permit columns. It will show missing requirements sa requirement status column kung hindi pa na-upload ang permit. Sa is PSICC exempted column naman makikita kung required ba ang PSICC for your item. Take note na kapag ang tagging ay N, ito ay magre-require ng PSICC sticker. Kapag possible naman ang kailangan mong i-double check ang product attribute specifications para malaman kung kailangan ba nito ng PSICC. Pwede mong i-download ang data by clicking on the upper right section na may 3 dots and click Export. Paglabas ng pop-up, select kung anong klaseng file ang gusto mong ma-download, then click Export. Take note na araw-araw nag-a-update ang dashboard. Kapag na-upload na ang permit today, maaaring i-check ang updated status ng inyong listing kinabukasan. For more information about the Internet Transactions Act, bisitahin ang Seller Education Hub.